All right, just received the Wyze Battery Cam Pro. This is indoor-outdoor camera, full night vision, has 2K color night vision as well. So we're going to open this box. We're going to do a full install with this camera. I want to show you guys the quality of this camera, what it looks like, and exactly what you're going to expect once you order this camera. So let's open up the box. Like the box it comes in. All right, so we have the quick start guide, greeted with the quick start guide. We're just gonna put that aside. Here is the camera itself. Definitely nice little camera. Got your lens protector, your LED light, your lens, two-way speaker, and your little import where you mount. All right, comes with a speaker, or not a speaker, comes with your battery. Here is your little anchor that we're going to mount this outside. And our little charging cable, which is nice. Now, one of the things I want to show, the little charging cable, we're going to have to take off this wrap. So the battery, they really wrap this really nice. So the battery goes directly underneath here. All right, there we go. I guess it look kind of tough just because it's water sealed tight. So I'm going to put my battery directly in here. Pretty easy. Looks like this part goes on the bottom and it's going to snap in. And you close it up. As you see, they have a little seal here, so it all stays watertight. These cameras are all water resistant. Also, too, right here you can put your little SD card. You're going to want to purchase an SD card because it's going to save you from paying money for the monthly subscription. So grab yourself a little SD card, slide it in there, and you'll be able to retrieve all your video, all your audio, and all your images right on an SD card. So as you see, the indicator light just came on. I'm excited to get this thing outside, so let's go outside, find a place where we can put this, check out the quality, and we're going to do the full app install. Now the way this is going to go on, it's going to go on just like this. So let's head outside and find a spot. All right, so where I'm going to put this right here on my shed, so it's going to overlook this part of my yard. So I'm going to have it look right here. This is the side of my house. My router is actually on the other side of the house, so I'm pretty far away from the router. There should be no problem picking up internet. So let's mount this, get it ready. Now the way this is going to be mounted is you're going to untwist the little piece right here. This actually comes apart. And that's going to be the little bracket that we're going to literally just screw directly into the side of my shed. Also too, I have a nice little spotlight, so it's going to illuminate the area even more. Now this does come with some hardware. I'm just going to take the hardware that comes with this camera and I'm just going to drill it directly into my shed. All right, now we're going to do one more screw. All right, nice and solid. Put my drill down. Let's get the anchor back up, or the bracket. And this is just going to twist directly back on over top of this. Kind of hides that. All right. Perfect. All right, I'm excited. So let's grab my camera. Here's the camera. We're going to put it directly up here. All right. All right, perfect. Okay. So not only is this spotlight going to help it, but it has its own spotlight. The only reason why I picked this area is just because I don't have any kind of a security camera on this side of my yard. People can come from the street. So if anybody walks from my street, they're going to be captured on my surveillance camera coming from this direction. So this side of my yard gets extremely dark at nighttime. So I thought this was probably going to be one of the best places to mount this camera. What we're going to do is we're going to jump into the app, and we're going to set it up in the app. But really impressed on the way this looks. Definitely excited to get this fully up and running. All right, if you haven't done so, download the free Wyze app. Once you download it, you're going to go to the left-hand corner and hit that little plus button all the way at the top, and you're going to click Add Device. Then we're going to click the very first one, Cameras. Now we're going to look for the Wyze Battery Camera Pro. Now it's asking us to insert the battery, which we already done so. All right, so now you're going to open up the little flapper door underneath where you access the battery. You're going to hit the little setup button. It's a little button that you're going to hit, and you're going to wait for it to flash blue. And once it flashes blue, you're going to hit next. Now it's searching for the device, so just give it a minute for it to pair and to find the device. Now you're going to set up your Wi-Fi for it, so go ahead and select your Wi-Fi and put in your password. Now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. It's looking for the network and the Wi-Fi signal, so this could take a minute, so just be patient. Give it at least 60 seconds to connect to your Wi-Fi. All right, it was a success. Now we are going to actually skip this part right here. It does say something about the mounting bracket or mounting tip. We already did that, so we're going to just hit skip. Now we're going to name the device. I'm going to name this device Shed Camera. As you see right on the bottom right, they already have it typed. I'll just click that. Now this is the plan. I recommend not purchasing the subscription plan. Grab a little SD card and just click the basic plan because it's absolutely free. The SD card, you'll be able to retrieve all your video, all your audio right on the SD card. So just click basic and continue. All right, one of the cool things about this is you can share this with friends, family, business partner, whoever. You can go through it right there, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to skip this for now and get everything set up. We're going to click finish. All right, so once we're done, it's going to ask you to update the firmware. This is a normal thing when you're first installing these cameras. It just kind of keeps everything up to date so it communicates with your Wi-Fi and through the Wyze app. So it should take about 5 minutes. Give it a couple minutes and come back. All right, now that the camera is updated, we're going to check out how clear this video is. Now, this is a pretty wide frame. As you see, I'm in the background already, and it's sensing motion. That's what that little square green is. It's just tracking that it's picking up motion as I approach the camera. The range and the width of this camera is incredible. I mean, this is a very big space that this camera is fully covering. As you can see me as clear as day. Now what I want to do is I want to wait for it to get a little dark, and I want to show you how clear this camera is. Now don't forget, this is 2K quality, so it's going to look nice and bright. So let's hit the night. All right, here it is at nighttime. Now, I have no spotlight coming on. I even have the LED light turned off to the camera. So this is fully dark. There's no light. As you see, there's a little light in the background, but I have no light going on right now. So you could see my face clear as day at night. No issues. There is no light on. There's the green square. Checking my camera just to make sure that I can see and everything is good. So, I mean, it looks awesome. Now I want to do one more test. I want to have a light on me. Okay, so here's one more test. Now what's going to happen is when I approach the camera, you're going to see the spotlight, the LED light come on, and you're going to see how bright it gets. So a way for me to approach the lens, and the spotlight is going to illuminate the entire area, giving more of a clear, rich video and a picture. And there it is right there. As you can see, everything is very bright. Extremely bright. I mean, the quality of this camera, like I said, is 2K. Absolutely phenomenal. Love this camera. So that's our video for today for the Wyze Battery Cam Pro. Excellent camera, as you guys see. If you want to pick up this camera, you can get it right in the description below. Also, too, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I come out with the reviews on these cameras, full installs, the DIYs, and life hacks on a daily basis.